In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Notepad++ on Windows 11. However, this way you can install Notepad++ on any version of Windows. So, to install Notepad++, go to any browser and type in Notepad++ and hit enter. And first link will be Notepad++. Click into this link and you will get redirected to page like this, and here on the left hand side you will see this Notepad++ icon, and under it you will see current version. Click on this current version and it will redirect you to this page, and here you will see this big green button. Click on this download button and it will download a file, and this is a .exe file or executable file which will allow you to install Notepad++. Once you have done this, open any folder and go to your downloads directory and you will see this icon of Notepad++. Click on it and it will most likely prompt you, do you want to allow this app to make any changes? You say yes, because you want to install this application on your computer. Here you select language and click OK. And here click on next. Here you agree to terms and conditions, and here you click next again. And here you leave everything as it is and click next. And if you would like to create a shortcut of Notepad++ icon on your desktop, check there and create shortcut on desktop and click on install. And this will install Notepad++. And now if you would like to run Notepad++ straight away, make sure that this is checked and click on finish and it will open a Notepad++. And this is how you can install Notepad++ text editor on your Windows 11.